Yeah, okay. Good afternoon, good morning. Yeah. Um, Today I just want to show you um, something very unique, that people hardly know about on Android devices. It's a feature called Smart Lock or Smart Unlock. Yes. So this feature basically helps you to assign trusted devices and also keep your device unlocked while it's on you. So every phone and every brand of mobile devices have a different setting. But I'm going to use mine here for you to see. I'm using a Huawei device. So if you're using a Huawei device, it would be easier to get what I'm saying. If you're not using a Huawei device as well, you can just as I started, you go to your settings and you search for smart unlock. Yes, so you can see it right here, smart unlock. Then you just tap on it. So it's down here. You tap on it again. All right, so here you can see that what I have Bluetooth devices that I can assign. So I have it already on. Yes, I have one Bluetooth device I've already assigned. So here you can assign any of these Bluetooth devices. It can be a smartwatch, it can be a smart band, a Bluetooth headphone, or a Bluetooth earbud. So what happens is when you connect any of these devices to your phone, yes, your device will stay unlocked. Your device is not going to lock. Once you put your device down, the screen will just go off, but when you pick it up, it's just unlocked for you to use. It makes it easier for you to access your device without having to continuously keep unlocking multiple times. Maybe you put your phone down for just a few minutes and you have to unlock it again. So I think it's one useful feature people don't know about. So once you have a Bluetooth device connected, here I don't have any Bluetooth device connected, but once you have a Bluetooth device connected, it should enable you to what? Set it up. It's a very simple process. You just connect any of these Bluetooth devices you can see here to your device. Then you go through, you search for smart unlock as I said. Then you go through a process, very simple process, just a minute or two, then you are done. So I think it's something here too you can add a device again. So multiple devices here. So I think it's one useful feature that a lot of people don't know about. Alright, so thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you get something new anytime I drop. Thank you.